Dude, 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 that's it. That's the ticket. What's going on, guys? It's Jonah and Chase. Yep. From Texas Tales Fishing. We decided to take a little night trip tonight to one of our old spots we used to come to over here on the pier. Kind of lucky we ain't got nobody here. We're the only people in the parking lot. So we're gonna try to get down on the night, see what we can do. We got a little dead shrimp. Just gonna be kind of fishing the bottom, fishing out in that deeper water over here, and gonna roll on it. All right, guys. Well, y'all saw our last video, or one of the videos. Y'all gonna see it's gonna be the same, pretty much the same setup as last time. We're gonna have a little leader. There you go.
Figure it out, kid.
Figure it out, kid. All right, so put this in my bag. You like my tackle box? I still got the same one. The old Academy bag. So I went ahead and spent some money on these little dudes. They are 24-inch Eagle Claw leaders, 45 pounds. Got them from Academy. And it's got us some little egg weights. Man, like Chase was saying, I think I may have to throw on two of them egg weights, because it's current tonight. I mean, you can't see it, but it is freaking ripping. Got these egg weights. I'll try one for now. We have to put on two. We'll throw on two, but I got some pretty heavy ones. They may do the job. All right, let's see what we can do. I'm out. I just got one.
Yeah, dude, I think they're running.
That'd be sick. Oh my gosh.
They hit you hard?
Whoever this dude is, he's ticked. I got him.
Whoa.
He ain't nothing big. Here he comes. Flip him! Or a hard hand. Whoa, dude! It's a hard hand! Well, it ain't big, but it's something. Facts. There's one. All right. Later, buddy. Back to your home. All right, number two. Little juicer, dude. So, dude. I don't know how it goes. Jack, come back. I'll never let go. She let go in the movie. She did too. In case y'all didn't know, we're shooting for the state record redfish. That's gonna be the dream goal here. And watch this, fellas. That was the old jump set. Oh my God! Is that it? Is that the one?
Yes. Yes, it is. That's it, dude.
Shut up, is it really? You jerking my chain.
I don't know. No.
Small one?
Yeah.
Whoo! Dude, I about TT'd it all up in my britches just now. For you to just... He did, but the way you set that hook, and good golly, Miss Molly, I thought you done had Moby Dick's mother on there. Later, dude.
Keep the lines tight. And I'll just let her. Make sure y'all pay attention. Oh my God! I couldn't even see it, dude. Dude, oh my God! I couldn't even see it. Man, dude, he just took a crawl out.
He came back.
You got me, bud.
No, really?
Yeah.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do. Oh, what in the world? He is not happy.
I ain't got a fish either.
Dude.
Oh, yeah, dude.
Oh, bud.
Oh, look.
He had one.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. Here we go.
Dude, you're big league. I'm in little league.
Dude, he is not. He got some big head shakes. It's maybe a gaff top. Or just a. Okay, what are you doing here, Timbo? It's a big old. It's a red. It's a red.
Here we go. He's right here.
I ain't got the net for it, dude. They got a net. You want to ask them for a net?
No, we got him, dude. What you got, braid?
Yeah. You get the club?
Yeah, just keep it tight.
Oh, he ain't coming in. He's out there. That's all.
Gosh dang it, I guess you win.
All right.
Let him tire, cause
Yeah, I got you.
I'm in shambles right now.
This just goes to show you guys, if you catch enough small ones, you may bleed them out and you get a big one. Freaking line scooting through the water. Dude, I bet you he's about a 25. 25, 27.
You're fighting
Get
that
over here, you
current
big
too.
old turd. Come on.
That's one way to do it.
Solid, dude. Look at that, right at the top. Be completely honest with you. Okay, I am feeling. Look at that. Look at that.
Hold him back. Solid,
Man, look at that
bro.
pretty like purplish on top of his head, man. That is just beautiful, beautiful fish.
Nice, dude.
There you go. All right, here we go. Go up for the release. Point them straight down. And there she go.
Solid.
Let's go, baby. That's a lot of slime. Was that a? That was a hit. Dude, that's it. That's the ticket. Oh, I'm not turning them either.
Get on.
What is going on here? I'm so confused.
See, it's weird, isn't it?
I think I just. Oh, nope, nope. He's still on there.
It's a ray, dude.
It's a freaking ray, bro.
This is gonna be a fun one, dude.
Oh yeah, this is gonna suck. Oh. All right, I don't really know what to do.
You're gonna have to let him get real tired, brother.
Yeah, we're just gonna let him eat. You see that shrimp jump right there?
I did.
I mean, it
Oh
was a baby
no.
shrimp, but... Hey guys, a little piece of information. When fishing in saltwater, you may want to be prepared for anything, okay? As you can tell, we're in a little predicament. Because we were not prepared for this, and now what we have to do is we have to take him, bring him up here with us, right? Well, guess what comes along with him? That'd be a stinger. And
Oh,
we didn't
man.
prepare for none of that. We ain't even got a net. That dude's tired though, so we're gonna have to do something here.
Oh no.
All right.
I'm in shambles. Wow, dude. Yeah. If you can get his barb.
All right. Now I need you to flip him or something. I need to like see the hook, and if I can do that, I think we'll be solid. All right. Got a little sting right here. About to release him here. There he goes. I'll catch you another day.
Solid.
Appreciate that, dude. Solid. All right, guys. Well, that concludes this trip. We hooked into I don't know how many hardheads.
Too many.
Towing But we got one good red. It's about 30 inches.
30 inches.
And then we hooked into that stingray, so pretty fun little fight.
Big old boy.
Big old boy, stout sun gun. But it wasn't too crowded. It was pretty good. Had a couple people come here and there. Some people already got our spot right now, but yeah. Tune in next time and see if we can get some more.
Keep your lines tight.